Good morning to not so sunny France. I did this introduction twice already, forgot to press record. Hey. Well, I'm in France. Set off on Saturday from south of Wales, went over to Newhaven, had a night there at the Ferry port, which is very generous of them to let you stay there. Then hopped on the ferry, 4 hours crossing. Then it got dark very early yesterday, so arrived here at Omaha Beach on a nice little Parkup I found on Park4Night. Hunkered down for the night, then woke up during the night a couple times because it started raining really, really hard, and the wind was rocking the van really, really badly. So rough night, but all in all, an okay night. So need to get going to see the sights, to see the Atlantic Wall and the memorials for D-Day. See if I can get some pictures done. So if I can, then you will see them. It will be tricky because it is very, very grey, very, very wet. It's still very, very windy. So let's hope I get something. Okay. See you later. Good morning. Welcome to France again. So we are in the Lorient, Vannes, Carnac area, surrounded by huge megaliths. So for the Germans and French under you, in between you, this must be Obelix's warehouse, where he does all his Hinkelsteins. So, oops, weird noises. Fucking hell. So you can't see it, but if I turn around, you see a few of them. Two, actually. But there are quite a few more. Especially where I parked, there are quite a few. So you can see these are massive. Bloody hell. So hope you can see them behind me. That one there, it's lying down. The one behind it standing up. Huge. Well, yeah, this whole area is strewn with this stuff. I don't think they have been transported here from far away, so no idea. I have to read up on where's this from. So if you can see, yeah, I forgot if you have gesture mode on, and it will of course switch off if you gesture too much. So yeah, just so you can see how bloody big that one is. You can't. Anyway, okay, I had to switch off the gesture control because that was going ridiculous with the switchy on, switchy offy. So yeah, this is a little walk right from the main road, past all these old minis, or in German Hinkelsteins. I have to smile and giggle because it's always Obelix and this Hinkelstein. I don't know how it is Asterix in English. What? I know Asterix in England, but the Asterix comics in English, you have to look them up and see what Obelix is called there, or his Hinkelsteins are called there. A bit wet underfoot, so some more of these. As I already said yesterday, it's raining. So in the moment it just stopped raining, but of course everything is wet. Okay, so back through the alley of the Minis, Hinkelsteins.